Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 20th, and this is my morning video for gold. So if you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. Don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. And also, don't forget that I do a YouTube live stream every weekday at 6 p.m. GMT time. So gold is pushing down pretty decently, and honestly, if you watched my video last night, this is actually exactly what I said it was going to do. But I also said that for me personally, it's definitely not a trade I would take because we are literally in an uptrend on every single higher time frame. Every time frame from the monthly, weekly, daily, 4-hour time frame and beyond is in a very strong uptrend. I still think we're going to hit that 278.6 right around the 3070 area. So I'm definitely very bullish. The reason why, even though I think this is very clear what's going on here, is the reason why I'm not wouldn't take this trade, even though I think it is very likely an A, a B, and it probably is going to go all the way down, take out this low for a wave C before it continues back up. But the reason why I personally don't think it's a good trade, because when you're in an uptrend on every single higher time frame, you may have an analysis that looks like this on the 1-hour time frame, and you may be very confident about that analysis. The problem is because we're in such a strong uptrend, it may just drift down and then bam, right back up it goes. So I do think there's probably a good chance it's going to go down, make a lower high, make a wave C before it continues up. But I would still primarily be focused on longs. Every single higher time frame from the monthly all the way down is in a uptrend. The trend is definitely your friend, especially when you're talking about gold, which was one of the best performing uptrends of 2024. So, anyways, definitely looking for longs in an uptrend, even though I think it probably is going to drift down for most of the day before it actually does end up drifting back up. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.